Welcome to
Holiday Harbor. We're here.
May 1st. It's 3:40 right now. We're all checked in, ready to get it going. This year we rented the Empress. Hôm nay hào thì nâng sa môn phải chỉ đi dần. In hàng như bữa sau năm ở Giang. It sleeps 16, so should be fairly comfortable. Năm Giang đó đi buổi tối chụp lửa tàu miền. Let's go see inside. Đi mà cả.
Is that everything?
Pretty good sized bathroom here. Fridge.
Yo, you got it! That's it!
And closet, man. Private room here. Another bathroom here. Bunk bed. Another room. It's the back. It's the back side here. Let's go upstairs and see. Oh, somebody's here already.
You cannot win from down there.
Oh,
It's hot inside.
yeah. You want to keep it open then?
Sure.
And here's the other hanging out spot right here. Oh yeah. Fish on, baby. Chà mà mình giống toàn phú miên phải là. Oh, I lost it.
Cái tay Bắt tao coi thể hiểu nó chỉ chính mày là mấy cái nhất yếu đấy.
Jamal got one already.
Jamal got a fish?
Yeah.
She gonna try to show, hey, take it for like.
Your mother-in-law got one already.
Oh, biểu xuất ra mà, tao biểu xuất ra lâu cả. Này.
Wow.
This one I want to hunt for these bluegills. Đây nhé, nhé mà cá hút tà.
Apparently, this raft holds 3 people. One regular person and too many people.
Now you can get off. Fair, Joey and Sophia put together.
Equal 1. Center of gravity.
Gigi, you got a fish? Oh, nice, man.
Let's measure him.
Right there.
Go.
Mom's able to call her phone over here.
Only mom's phone. Hả? Ôi, bữa chén rồi mà bữa nhẹ rồi. Ta xem là thi bữa nhẹ dinner rồi. Dinner su. Yeah, spaghetti. Fresh fish.
I need to take out my spaghetti. First night dinner.
And the fish was
We got
off the
fish
hook,
and salad and spaghetti.
Just my tail. We didn't. I don't even use
According
words.
to you.
Yeah. Hey, you go ahead.
Yeah, it is. You guys, menina didn't say that.
Let's see. Another bluegill. Look. Chijia, your favorite, Chijia?
Another bluegill.
Got one?
Yeah.
Right there.
See that blue to the mommy?
Oh, this one is fat. Look at this guy. Junta.
Oh, look at that's a big bluegill.
Oh, that's a big one. Hey, Mom said she wants to come on this side.
Oh, chama, tu tao melo.
Take that from me. She reeled it too high. She reeled it way too up.
Đấy, chúng ta nó kiềm hô nhau, chúng ta nó.
What?
Tu ta lo, chama. Đây, here, this is your mom.
Ở Việt Nam trên hạt ba.
Got one, huh? Day 2.
Oh, close enough. But I'm stopping it now. Kind of close.
Beautiful morning. Mà giàu được hả giàu nè. Sao mà? Hồ nè hả?
Bài để đến bài ok, được khô pháo. Có lục khô pháo. Ok. Đến cho nó là cứ tiên cào này nha, lại cứ tiên vậy.
Got a fish?
Yeah. Cào nó bé, một trắng to không phải. Mà cháu to. Ô, nó to. Ô, như thế này hạt cào. Phải thôi tí. Ô, cào như thế.
Could be close.
Cào là. Let's see. He's actually, yeah. Look,
Yeah.
look, at 0, look.
Yeah, 12 and a half. Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost 13.
Yeah. Đó.
Good morning. It's Friday morning and we're setting out. Everybody's awake. Well, not Joey and Sophia. And Sophia's making breakfast. We're gonna have bacon and eggs and hash browns.
This year fishing tournament is going to be $20 per person, right? We're all good on that?
Yeah.
And then what do we all agree on? Like the heaviest?
The heaviest fish.
Yeah, I gotta be the heaviest.
Length doesn't matter.
It don't matter what fish.
So then we all good on that. So right now it's 2:22.
Okay.
When do we want to end the fishing tournament? Because we can check out at 3 p.m. Sunday.
Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Check out 3.
12 sounds good.
Yeah.
Sunday noon.
So Sunday noon, everybody good
Yeah.
with that?
Yep.
This is Matthew, your first fish?
Second fish.
Second fish? All right, let's see.
Yeah, there's pink soap.
Let me go like right.
Put it in here so make sure that there's a
All right, let's see. Okay, the first official weigh-in.
1.17.
Hey, Chijia, 1.17 is to beat right now, right? Matthew just got his bass.
Oh yeah?
Hey, is she beating Matthew?
Might be.
Go check this one out.
Oh, I think she might beat you a little bit there.
Yeah, that one was a good start.
Okay, tama ka doga. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, maka chama hing if I. Oh,
Oh,
it's a chama hing jinyo.
1.36.
Ty Matthew. Matt, whatever you got, cancel. Okay, it's a chama hing
I ain't
jinyo.
worried, man.
inside.
See,
This
see,
is
see what I'm
the-
saying, Titus?
The aftermath of
See what I'm
lunch.
saying? You were right there
There was
too.
tacos and fish.
You know.
Inside.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that is
Come on.
bigger, dude.
Oh, chama.
That's
Hey,
a good one.
you're gonna break her heart.
Okay, let's see.
It's the first
That
day
is a
too,
big
right
one.
there. I hope it's. I don't know.
Oh yeah, definitely beat
yeah.
Okay,
Jama.
1.7.
1.7.
1.7 now.
Bass number 3. Matthew just took the lead back again.
1.7 again.
Hey, it's getting bigger every time.
You gotta go out, Timo.
This is like Jama and Matthew right now.
You're
I
not
don't
gonna
know.
get any more off the boat,
hey,
Timo. You gotta go off the bank.
That's
too.
a weird combo. It's Jama
Versus Matthew.
versus Matthew. Hey. Oh. Hey, Sue. Sue. Boy. Let's go measure this guy. Huh? Oh no, Sue, this is at least a 2-pounder.
Whoa, wait.
Boy! Look at this.
Yo, wait, can I have some, do you have any other bait I can use?
Hey, I'm gonna go measure this guy. Hey, I think it's at least 2 pounds. Nightcrawler bubble on top. Sorry, Matt. You better come back and start fishing.
Let's see.
Mày hiu cái sao? Rồi nè. Nhìn hiu mèo ở rồi.
Anh yêu là ở từ giang tăng à.
Hát cả cả vô chỉ quá. Ê, xí cái nào cái này.
Hey,
Wait, 2.43.
hey,
2.43.
2.43 baby, right there. Các bạn ám xình hả? Mày là mày nổi nó tú tao hồ nhiêu? Số chân nắm tỏi ám khai phá mày ồ. Mà chi ồ, Daniel you. Okay, that's a good one. Cái mà chi ồ, yet y bua. Mấy tao nữa, lom nhẹ lắm bà.你不管咩？Oh, 勁慘啲啦。Let's see how big is cool 呢
All
This
right.
one's cool.
Okay.
She's not
fish.
participating.
She's not participating, but we just want to see how big Goose fish is. Ni ma ba tun ta.
Nè. Ôi nè tôm nè.
1.46.
Is that bigger than Matthew?
Nè cà rúa mày nhé.
Oh no, Matthew was
That's
1.7.
1.7. Ngao la.
Oh.
Ngao.
Yeah.
This is the fish we caught this afternoon.
Wow.
Hurry, Munta.
I can't even get the fish.
Zoom out. Oh, my hand hurts.
Did you get the picture?
And that's today so far.
Joey, did you catch that one, Joey?
Yeah, we just put the pole down and then bam.
Wow.
Here, Joey.
Got a bluegill?
Take one hand.
Is that your first fish, Joey?
Today, yes.
All right, don't let them swerve you, right?
Love the optimism.
Okay, now.
Oh,
Okay, go.
today, yes, right? Me and dinner tonight by Timur.
Alright, so what we got, honey?
We got
They cook some rice.
We got
It's not exceptional, yeah.
chicken and lapadoy, chicken and daikon.
Really chew me in dinner.
Delicious. We got some stir-fried meat and bamboo, and then some stir-fried meat and vegetables, and some obua.
Man.
And then Suyo provided some ribs and sausage. And then don't forget the hot sauce.
Man, Chet and them really, this is like a treat.
Me and dinner.
It's a treat, Chet.
Yeah, it's a treat.
Yeah, I don't get to eat this at home.
Today is Saturday, May 3rd. It's 6:50 right now in the morning here at Shasta Lake. The fishing competition is still on. In Hoi, วันเสาร์เดินหาวันที่3อีที่นี่จะอีจันอีเบอร์จ่ายเซ็งเจียนบาทเปียวเนี่ย First cast. Oh yeah. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, Sue. Pretty big though. But I don't think it's 2.3. 2.43. Huh? Saturday morning. What Suzie?
Unofficial.
No, look what Suzie made. Right here. This is
Put some hash brown underneath.
breakfast for champion. Courtesy of Suzie.
There's a pot holder over here.
There you go.
There you go.
People are eating breakfast. Other are fishing back here. Other are still sleeping. Owen Gu and Jamal fishing back here. So Chet just got one right here. But yeah, because she's fishing from upstairs.
ตำเมียง
Okay, let's see how big it
เสียง
hits.
เสียวนั่นนี่อย่างเลย
1.45.
6.
I mean 1.46. That's right, yeah. Oh, yeah, you do? Oh yeah. Oh, beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Bữa giống toàn pu mày lô mà bữa. Oh, giống toàn pu mày lô.
It's definitely a keeper.
Oh yeah, it is a keeper. Oh, I lost my night crawler too. Hold on. I'll just grab it.
You still the other ones you were using?
Huh?
9:44 a.m. on Saturday. We moved to a different spot today. We're on this island today. Well, the island is that way. That's the tip of the island over there. We already had breakfast, courtesy of Suzie. I forgot to videotape it, but it was delicious.
Oh, no, I videotaped the breakfast.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the island out here.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Here, let's see if we can come out here. Here's the island that we're on. It's pretty flat, so I'm gonna come out. There's the houseboat there. Tim was gonna fish today some more as well. Oh, there's a little fire ring here. Yeah, but this is... Oh, it's pretty here. There's some pretty flowers here. There goes the houseboat over there. Owen's first fish.
ย่าเก่งเก่งเก่งนะเก่งนะ
Con con con.
แม่มาไม่ตั้งจิตกาถ้าแม่มาอยู่เวทจิตก็มีอาจารย์จริงไม่ดีเจ็บก็เดี๋ยวเราจะอย่างเนี้ยไอ้เยี่ยมมาเจ็บก็จะว่าเยี่ยมมาเยี่ยมแบบนี้มาเนี่ยเนี่ยนั่นจิตกาเป็นจิตจอมนี่น่าอยู่เสียวนี่เป็นน่าอยู่มีเสียวเนี่ย
Oh, you can see it.
จับตัวกูน่ะก็ได้เพียงจิ้มก็ไปเตะไปตั้ง
You see it, Daniel?
ไปไป
Dào giang.
That's the Owen's fish there.
Sit down. Nó bàn con. Cái tung cô tiêu hả hả?
Okay, let's see.
Nhá chứ áo pháo luôn. Nè, anh lấy chứ áo nó phải.
Can bring that too.
ว้าว
Là cả nhà lọ.
Tôi nhờ rồi, bây giờ tao xin nhé.
ตัวใหญ่นะ
Tao dọa cái. Dọa cái.
Okay, let's see.
จ้าไม่เป็นแน่แมนจีไม่เป็นแม่ไม่ไปจ้ามันด้วยไปเจียนตัวเนี่ย
13? That's good enough, right?
Oh yeah. You don't think so? Oh, that's fat. Oh, let me go get the scale.
Oh wait, right. There's
Chúng tao hồ đi ô. Oh, I think I may still have it though.
We'll see. That one doesn't look big though.
Here, let
That
me,
does look big.
Yeah, take all the little dirt, that rock that you put in on the way here. Here you go.
1.99.
Hey, who is big then? I know, 2.43 is hella fat. Mine was
Yeah.
fat though, the stomach.
Yeah, 1.99.
Hey, but that's real good
That's a
though.
big one,
Hey,
though.
that's pretty good.
I got a little nervous.
No, I want to watch you shoot it first. Let's see.
okay, should we get a can to shoot it?
Try to hit that tree right there. Just try to hit that tree right there.
Which tree? That one?
The big one right now.
The one that's falling? Oh, the one that...
The big one right now, right in the middle of us. Oh yeah, Joey's hitting it. It does go splat.
Automatic.
full automatic, full auto.
Oh, dang.
It's Saturday lunch, courtesy of Tan, Matthew, and Titus.
And so now steak.
Oh, look at this.
Oh no,
Đồ ăn hàng, one sao đồ ăn hàng.
They're waiting on you guys, bro.
How much you con go no no. This is how you eat Tan's when you lunch. Okay. Tan, Matthew, and Titus. Okay, you get noodle.
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 Uh-huh.
Some veggies, whatever one you want.
Okay.
Ooh, carrots.
Nice Titus, I like it.
Ooh, cucumber.
Okay.
And then a sauce. Cilantro, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And your protein?
And then, yeah, protein.
Then you get your
You
protein.
could just eat this as skewer, but you can add it to your noodle too. That's why I'm gonna do both.
Gotcha. Oh, I see. And then you put your sauce.
You
I-
can put peanuts.
Okay, I got
Joey,
you.
what are you doing?
What's the name of the dish anyway? Do you know?
Where you
It's
going?
just a vermicelli bowl.
Oh, vermicelli bowl.
I know. I'm just gonna leave this. So then,
That.
everyone's gonna eat.
Yes, got that.
Could be the one that beat you.
Do you need-
Never mind, never mind.
Do you need help? Huh? Wait, that could be the one that beat me.
No, no, no. No, I thought wrong.
Oh. Hey, good job though. Nice catch, Joey.
Oh, neat. Woo!
It's Sonia Fiabi.
The one that beat you.
Well, Ong is not in the competition.
We're rooting for him to catch the biggest one.
Let me see the net, somebody. Somewhere.
Around here. Oh.
มาเอาแต่นี้โอ้มาแล้วมีตัวหน้า
Oh, it's a bluegill.
Oh, it's a big old bluegill.
Oh.
Yeah, so hot though.
Shit, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's a bluegill.
Junta.
Oh, yeah, bluegill.
Nah, I think I'm
the
safe,
two
man.
That one's all muscle. That's why.
No way.
Oh
Yeah, we'll just see.
Hey, Chijia, man.
Get the
I
weight.
heard you. You said, why don't you go over there to dip in?
You want
I know. Hey,
Oh,
someone
dude,
lost
that's
something.
hella big.
Your tray, the trays for the
Forget it. Forget it.
No, that's gonna. I think.
Oh.
No, I think that's gonna beat it.
You think that's gonna beat the 2.43?
Let's see, what's your weight? What's your
Right here.
ไอ้กระโดดตำหนายังไงฮะ
Okay, you. Atang janta.
could be
Be slapping
What is this?
lighter.
Hey, you better make
Shake the
sure there's
water
no
off.
rocks in there.
Go get a towel. So get all the water off.
Oh, it must be out.
The excess water is point something, man.
This is a trout.
Oh yeah, he ate a trout.
Wait. Put that back in.
Maybe.
I think I should look at it first.
Everybody, let's look at it. Turn around, turn around.
Oh, shit.
Wait, nah, you gotta turn it.
2.85.
Wow.
Hey, by what? How what was it? 2.85.
Right here, Titus. Good job.
Hey, Titus. Hey, he told me to go. He told me to go. Split that with me. I told you.
I am sad. Thursday night dinner will just be any leftover from the last few nights or few days. So we still have tacos. This is new pork belly, fish.
Yeah, I'll help him. I'll help him.
Let's see, and then we got some Mian food over here. What's this? Mian food?
Yeah, mian food,
Uh huh.
bamboo, mashed potato from this morning.
Oh, and
this is from
spaghetti.
yesterday. Spaghetti from the first night.
Oh, and then lapadoy with chicken and garlic bread. That's what we're having.
Sunday, last day for houseboating. Today's breakfast, brunch, lunch is whatever we have left. So, everything was freshly made with leftover ingredients. Yeah. Pretty much packed up. The fishermen and women gonna be trying their luck again today. Last few hours of fishing. Well, hour and 20 minutes that is, before the winner is declared.
So it's May 4th.
May the 4th.
May the 4th. It's 12:30. Fishing tournament already ended about 30 minutes ago. This is our 4th annual fishing tournament, and the winner of this year is Titan. 2.85. I held the lead until last night.
I thought it was 2.89, no?
No, 2.85.
yeah.
Yeah, I held the lead until he went to that one spot.
Yesterday, huh? That was
Yeah,
Something told him in here to go to that one spot and he got it. But yeah, congrats, Titus, man. Good job. Next year, defend your title.
Yeah, and I can't then.
Cut that in, yeah? All right, so